Today we will look at how to install Conky and also to configure to get some useful statistics. This is what it looks like without Conky, and next we'll look at what it looks like with Conky. So on the right side you can see Conky is installed. Conky is a free system monitoring app. It can show you things like uptime, usage of RAM, CPU, etc. and my favorite part, networking. We will be using Ubuntu 20.04 for this demo. You will need internet access to install Conky. If you want our configuration file, you may want to install git as well by using a simple command sudo apt install git. Here is the git repo we will be using to pull down config file after Conky is installed. Let's jump into installation demo. First thing first, let's verify Ubuntu version that you're running. Then let's verify you have an internet access. You can ping to any website. In this demo, we're going to go to ping virtuallytesting.com. Next, let's go ahead and install Conky. You can run the command sudo apt install conky-all-y to install Conky. Next, we want to add Conky in startup applications so it can start automatically every time you boot up your Ubuntu machine. Next, let's pull that config file from our git repo. Next, open this downloaded file in a text editor so we can copy the contents. Next, open Conky config file for all users and paste the contents you had copied in previous step. Once that's done, you can reboot your machine, and after reboot you will see Conky is installed and configured